What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm bringing y'all a budget, mid-tier, and advanced audio interface and microphone comparison breakdown, all right? If you're someone that wants a new microphone or a new interface, you're on a budget, or you got a little bit more cash, or you got cash to splurge, and you want to see what microphones and what interfaces sound great, this is the video for you. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna be comparing some microphones today and some audio interfaces, giving you my opinion on them. We might have an honorable mention here or there, but let's get into it. All right, so this is one of my favorite microphones. This is the Rode NT1 5th generation. Back in my young boy days, me and my boys were recording this microphone. We didn't have a treated room, and all we had was the microphone in the closet, and we got super clean vocals. This is a great microphone if you're just diving into recording or you're on a budget. It's known for having a very low self noise. Like, it doesn't pick up a lot, especially if you're right in front of it and on top of it like this. You're good. Very natural sound, not too much EQ like other microphones in this price range, but it is very good. I would call this a workhorse microphone because honestly, it's good for rap, it's good for vocals, it's good for singing, it's good for voiceovers. Anyone who wants to get into maybe podcasting or just do like basic recordings of instruments like guitar, this will work very well for just about anything. Even some like overhead drums, like you can kind of get away with it. It's really a workhorse mic. Now the interface that I have it paired up with is from a very great company that makes very good equipment, and that's Universal Audio, and that is the Volt 2. So if you know anything about Universal Audio, they make very good preamps. They're known for having the best converters, and it's kind of the same thing here. You're going to get a up-to-date, modern, solid conversion recording. It is bus powered, but you can also plug it in. Right now, mine is not plugged into a power source. I've got it running into a USB hub, and it's working fine. For the price range, you're probably not going to be able to find another interface that sounds this good. This interface is perfect for new creators, anyone who's new to the game. You want to take it a little bit more seriously. It's really simple to use. Input, output. On the back, I believe comes with 1/4 inch out, so you don't get the dual 1/4 inch and XLR, but that still will work. You get direct monitoring, and you also have an instrument line as well. And let's get into some vocals. Last one gonna hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Every stick saying they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. Scammers lurking patient, waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Last one gonna hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Every stick saying they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. Scammers lurking patient, waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing? Last one gonna hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry sticks and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. We waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing? So the Rode NT1 5th generation comes in at $250. Well, not bad, really affordable. It comes with a microphone, XLR cable, the shock mount, and you also get a pop filter that connects to the shock mount. It's really seamless and really easy to use. The Volt 2 comes in at about $176 to $200, depending on the day and the price, but you're getting a great interface, great preamps, and all around, I mean, for $450, you can't really beat this setup. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I gotta show love to Zzounds.com for sending me that microphone and that interface. I will leave the links to my Zzounds wish list in the description for all the microphones and audio interfaces that are in this video and what I have in my studio. And if you're looking to buy some gear but you don't want to pay the full price, Zzounds.com is a great place where you can actually get equipment. All you need is a debit card and you can get rolling. So next on the list is one of my favorite microphones and interface combos, and that is the TLM 102 going right into an SSL2 Plus interface. Butter. Especially if you're right up on the mic talking, you can hear the clarity. It's crystal clear, very flat, but still a little bit bright, and just gives you that professional sound. Like, I feel like I can just do whatever right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like I'm that guy. I'm that guy right now. So I bought this microphone about 2 years ago for about $800, but now you can probably get it for as low as $600. And if you know anything about Neumanns, they make, in my opinion, some of the best microphones out. The SSL 2 Plus comes in at about $300, but you can find it for as low as like $270, $280, somewhere in there sometimes. Once I switched to this microphone, my mixing for vocals cut down a lot. It was like I just needed to do a few things here and there, and that was pretty much it. So the SSL is easily one of my favorite interfaces because it's just a beautiful interface. And on top of that, you get the 4K. For the price, you can't beat that. You get 2 inputs and 2 headphone inputs. You get the 1/4 inch and XLR input. So if you want to go quarter out or XLR out, you have that option. It's also got a line for instruments too. And you get the legacy 4K, which I'll turn it on now. Gives you a little cleaner sound. So instantly you can hear that difference. It's a little more brighter. It's got that preamp and it just sounds really good. This is the preamp on. This is the preamp off. So we get a little bit more dull of a vocal, but I like it on. This is a goated combo. And let's get into how these vocals sound. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Check. Yeah. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. The streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Every 6 then they use it. Cornerstone, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient, waiting on location. Motion is what we chasing. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I just wanna make you mine. Let's turn the 4K option on now, and let's see what we get. Yeah. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. We waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing. Yeah. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. The streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Cornerstone, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. And here with 4K. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out. Yeah, that 4K mode is crazy. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, maybe we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. We waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing. Yeah. So my thoughts on this combo, you can't go wrong with it. So this will get you a long way. If you got money to spend, this will get you a long way. And it's kind of the sweet spot. Like you're not in the budget realm anymore, but you're not like super high end, but you still get really good vocals and you can get a really good sound out of it. And my honorable mention is the Aston Spirit microphone. This microphone is also a workhorse, built like a tank. And this is like a MacBook M1 Pro Max. This would just be the M1. So like, to me, this microphone sounds great. It's a workhorse microphone. It's got a bunch of different polar patterns on it. It's got a 20 dB cut and a 10 dB cut, and it's also got a low pass cut as well, and a really good flat response. It's built really good quality, and you can get this microphone used maybe for $200, or you can get it brand new for $300. That's a really good price. I bought this mic for I think $499, maybe like 4 years ago. Check it out. All right, so as you can see, we are on the TLM 103. This is my favorite microphone to record on, period. The 103 is crystal clear. You just record and it automatically sounds great. I'm not even really on top of it, and you can really hear the vocals. Well, now I am because I'm showing you. But when I was back here, you could still hear me doing my thing. And the interface that I have it plugged up with is the Apollo Twin X, universal audio, real-time recording. If you're someone that prefers to record with plugins on your voice already, like compression and EQ, like a Neve 1073 or something like that, you can do that. It sounds amazing. Now, is it expensive? Yes. I think this microphone comes in at $1,200, and I bought my interface for about $900. I also have the Big Brother the TLM 49. All right. It sounds crystal clear. It's professional vocals straight out the gate. What more can I say? As some of y'all know, Universal Audio makes some of the best converters in the game. So you can't really blame it on the mix, bro. Like, it's really on you. If you sound good, you sound exactly how you sound going into this microphone, into that interface and coming out your DAW. It's the most realistic sound that you can get at this price point. And obviously with the microphone, you get a nice bright sound, but it's not like it's still flat, but it's also bright. Whereas on this microphone, which we'll do rap vocals on as well, you get more of a vintage warm sound, still bright, but a little bit more warmer. I tend to like this one better. Just because it's a little bit more warmer. So from 1200 to 1800, if you want to make that jump, I say go for it if you've got the money and you want to splurge. But if not, this is a very good price point for professional, great vocals. Now, who is this microphone set up for? People who are serious creators who want to get good quality vocals in, maybe songwriters who want to get the most polished draft or demo, and really anyone investing long-term into their studio. This is a microphone, and this is a microphone, and this is an interface setup that really just sounds great out the gate. Yeah. 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 Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. Waiting on location. Motion is what we chasing. I added a word, but it's okay. Now let's check out the 49. Do a little quick swap here. Yeah, I can't explain it. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. We waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. Waiting on location. Motion is what we chasing. Last man couldn't hold you down, so I'm here. Top down, baby, we out here. Streets is too lit. My young boys into music. Carry 6 and they use it. Corner store, no bodega. The food still packed with flavor. The scammers lurking patient. We waiting on location. Motion, what we chasing. Final thoughts. All in all, these are all great microphones. They all sound really good. They're all ready to go. If you get the Volt 2 and the Rode NT1, you really can't go wrong with that. For the price point, you're getting a microphone that has very low noise. You can crank it up and you should be good. If you're going with the SSL 2 Plus, that's a great interface. I mean, you get the preamp on that one is bright and gives you that, legendary 4K sound that the SSL consoles just come with. And for the price point, you really can't beat it. The 103 versus the 49 going into the Apollo, I mean, you're talking about real-time converters sounding great. It is more expensive, but you're paying for what you get. You want pristine quality sound, you've got to pay for it. And honestly, had I known this when I was first starting out, instead of buying different interfaces, I know I learned a lot. I would rather have just saved my money and just spent the money on a more expensive interface. That would have saved me years of wear and tear on my ears, mixing, and time. I know money isn't always accessible to everyone, and it takes time to save money, but I mean, that would be my advice too. Instead of going for something that's more lower tier, if you can get at least one of the items, like a microphone that's expensive, and go with a budget interface or a mid-tier interface, even that's better than just going with something low tier. But again, budget friendly, you're getting good quality. Mid-tier, you're getting good quality. It's really up to you and how you mix it. Those are my final thoughts. Again, shout out to Zzounds for sending some of this equipment over. I really appreciate y'all. I'll leave links below to my Zzounds wish list that has every one of these microphones, my speakers, my keyboard, everything I use in my studio. And if you use my Zzounds link, you're helping your boy out, and I just really appreciate that. I got 3 kids, a crib, and I live in Florida. It's expensive as hell out here. Anyway, y'all, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you thought about the lyrics. Even though I rhymed here with here, that's crazy. I don't know how I missed that, but anyway, appreciate y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.